As I was having my banana and toast this morning, I was thinking about this constant debate over which is the most iconic JDM classic out there. Is it the Mazda RX-7? Could it possibly be the R34 GTR? Maybe even the Mark IV Supra? But with these cars becoming more expensive, rare and collectible, I thought to myself, is there a more usable, everyday JDM classic? And I think there is. And I have a contender right here, the Nissan Skyline R34 GTT. So, come with me till we have a look. Godzilla's little brother, 6-cylinder, 2.5-litre single turbo RB25, finished in Sonic Silver, dressed up like a GTR. Now, I want to show you why this is a real contender. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Now, I don't think this is any less of a car than the GTR. It comes from the same family tree. So it's still a real driver's car. It's got NISMO suspension, a full set of Pirelli P1s, and it really feels like you're stuck to the road. And it's not slow either. To mention that it's on the Lucky Day website. For only $9.97 you could own this proper JDM classic. So get on over and get them bought.